Hey, this will be a video chart on PDPR. Very nice move today. I had a few people alert this to me yesterday, but never got around to really looking at it too much. But today, big time volume follow through, and more importantly, the price reacted bullishly with it. It's nothing worse than seeing a big above average volume day like this, and then seeing the price either go sideways or worse yet down. Clearly, that was not the case today. Big volume came in, big price reaction. The price was up 100% today, so I don't think anybody should really be able to complain about that one. But I want to quick get things updated from a kind of support standpoint and what you want to see happen in terms of the rest of this week. From a resistance standpoint, we're essentially in a blue sky breakout. If you look here, you can see that there's a big drop here, but this candle is essentially shouldn't even really matter. But as far as the rest of the chart goes, this high of a penny, which it has already broken through, was the key area of resistance. So as far as resistances go, yes, there is one right here at 2 cents. So I should map that out because that was a high where the profit takers finally decided to step in today. But after that, it's back to blue sky breakout because you can see there are no other areas of resistance. But this video is going to be more about the areas of support and how you want to see the price act. And like I was saying, the previous resistance, which is now a support, was at a penny right here. And the reason for that is if we look, we can see that this level has knocked down the price a few times before finally today the price could get through it. So a penny is going to be the key level of support right now, and that is going to be the ideal level that you want to see hold up and be strong with any sort of pullback. Now, ideal, I'm sure most people wouldn't even want the price to pull all the way back here, but if you look around, there's been some good charts lately of stocks that do pull back and then have big moves. LLEG, that is a good recent example. It made a couple big moves, then it pulled back, but it held up on their support levels, and then if you look at it yesterday and today, really big moves. So that's the idea here. Stocks can't always go straight up, so if they do pull back, you just want to make sure that they hold the key support levels. And the first one, like I've been saying, is going to be this penny level right here. The other ones are going to be all about the moving averages. Moving averages right now are obviously below this level, so technically, the price could fall below there, and as long as it would stay above these moving averages, then things would be okay. So that's the other thing we want to watch is if for some bizarre reason, the price were to come down here pretty quick and not hold up here, but then it'd come down here and hit one of these moving averages and bounce up, the chart would still be okay because it is still managing to hold those areas of support. The other key thing that's going to be needed to monitor is just simply the volume. Now, whenever the price is going up, the more volume, the better. You can't go wrong there. But if the price does decide to start to pull back, what we want to see is volume to do the same exact thing and drop off. On any sort of pullback or sideways days, the lower the volume, the better. You can't really go wrong there. So if over the course of the next few days the price pulled back, but then volume was something like this, that would be totally fine. Or better yet, if it pretty much dropped off like that, that'd be good too, because that would just show that it's simply profit takers and nothing, to the extreme, such as, a big shareholder getting out or panic selling or dilution or anything like that. So the lower the volume, the better when the price is going sideways or down. And the opposite is true if the price decides to keep on heading up, then, the more volume, the better. You can't go wrong there. As obviously the more volume on up days just shows that there's plenty of people with confidence that still want shares despite it going up. So that pretty much wraps up the chart. It's pretty straightforward. Blue sky breakout after 2 cents again, and then at that point you kind of just have to use your gut instincts, and then supports are going to be the penny level along with these moving averages. Eventually, if the price can stay up here, the moving averages will catch up to this level and get up above penny. So that will be kind of where they switch roles, where the penny level will be the must-hold level, and then the moving averages would be the ideal level. But where things stand right now, ideally we do want to see a penny hold. But if that can't, then these moving averages down here need to provide support. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free. We've been making some good money together with the trade alerts and so forth. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was PDPR. Thanks for listening.